Hi, my name is Christian Ray Flores. I want to recommend Chris A. Matthews as an amazing speaker. I invited Chris to lead a marriage retreat for us. We had over 400 people there. It was sold out, no extra room. We had a waiting list. And Chris showed up in an amazing, amazing way. First of all, he was extremely disciplined and humble. He asked a lot of questions. He knew what the needs were. He knew his audience. He stayed within the limitations of the event. But I want to just emphasize the transformative capacity Chris has as an expert, as a thought leader, somebody who can guide someone from a state of crisis and pain into a state of flourishing. And you could see that in the room, the energy shifting. His insights, his expertise, his mastery, it was just absolutely remarkable. So if you get a chance to invite Chris, please invite him. Invite him because I think sooner rather than later, he's going to be impossible to get as a speaker to an event. And you can list yourself among the very few fortunate people who had him as a keynote speaker. I highly recommend Chris. Thank you for paying attention to this.